Does your dirt bike stall when you slow down? Well, there's a few reasons why that might be happening, and I just want to quickly cover them right now. So one, your engine idle speed might be set too low. So maybe you're pulling in the clutch so that your engine doesn't stall, but if you let it idle too long, the engine RPM will drop so low that the engine will stall. And you should only adjust the idle speed once the engine is fully warmed up, because that's when the air to fuel ratio is the most consistent. So try turning the engine idle up if it's really low. The next reason might be you're stabbing at the rear brake. So I was coming into the corner here, and if you stab at the rear brake with these stiff boots on, it's hard to feel if the rear wheel is locking up. So if you stab at it, it locks up. The engine RPM is going to drop very quickly and it will stall. So you either need to be smoother with the rear brake, or if you're going to stab at it, you need to use proper clutch control. But I prefer that you are smoother with the rear brake, because if you're locking up the rear wheel, you're losing control and you're not stopping as quickly. And why is that? Well, once the wheel locks up, it builds up all that dirt and then it just starts skidding, and it can actually make you go faster, as opposed to you're using the rear brake, it's slowing the rear wheel down, but the knobs are grabbing that dirt and it helps slow it down faster than if it were just skidding. And then the third reason why your bike might be stalling when you slow down is you're in the wrong gear. So I was in third gear here, and this is a fairly low speed corner. So if you don't have enough speed and you don't have a finger on the clutch to cover it when you're going too slow, the engine RPM is going to drop so low and you're going to feel that chugging, and then it's going to die if you don't pick up the speed, or if you don't shift down a gear or pull in the clutch and slip it. And if you want to know the proper gear to be in, I got a video on that from my beginner series. You can watch that right here. What about you? Is there another mistake that you've made that helped you prevent stalling when slowing your dirt bike down? Let me know in the comments below.